क्या यह तुम्हारी आखिरी बात है? Is this your final word? Is this your final word? सोच समझकर फैसला लो। Decide wisely. Decide wisely. यह बात सबको बताई जानी चाहिए। This should be told to everyone. This should be told to everyone. क्या आप मुझे थोड़ा समय दे सकते हैं? Can you give me a little time? Can you give me a little time? जल्दी करो वरना देर हो जाएगी। Hurry up or else we'll be late. Hurry up or else we'll be late. ऐसी बात मत कहो। Don't say such a thing. Don't say such a thing. हो सकता है वह अभी रास्ते में हो। Maybe he is on the way right now. Maybe he is on the way right now. आपने मुझे गौर से सुना? Did you listen to me carefully? Did you listen to me carefully? जितनी जल्दी हो सके आओ। Come as soon as you can. Come as soon as you can. यह खेल जीतने लायक नहीं है। This game is not worth winning. This game is not worth winning. तुम जैसे लोग बहुत कम मिलते हैं। People like you are rare. People like you are rare. उसने खुद माना कि वह गलत था। He admitted himself that he was wrong. He admitted himself that he was wrong. मैं तुम्हारी जगह होता तो माफ कर देता। If I were you, I would have forgiven. If I were you, I would have forgiven. एक बात समझ लो, मेहनत का कोई विकल्प नहीं। Understand one thing. There is no substitute for hard work. Understand one thing. There is no substitute for hard work. क्या तुमने मुझे बुलाया था? Did you call me? Did you call me? मैं सोच रहा हूं कि क्या करूं। I am wondering what to do. I am wondering what to do. उसे सबके सामने शर्मिंदा मत करो। Don't embarrass him in front of everyone. Don't embarrass him in front of everyone. ऐसा लगता है कि वह कुछ छिपा रहा है। It seems like he is hiding something. It seems like he is hiding something. इस तरह बात मत करो। Don't talk like that. Don't talk like that. कृपया दरवाजा खोल दीजिए। Please open the door. Please open the door. कुछ भी कहने से पहले सोच लेना। Think before saying anything. Think before saying anything. आज मौसम बहुत अच्छा है ना? The weather is so nice today. isn't it? The weather is so nice today, isn't it? यह सब उसके कहने पर हुआ. All this happened because of what he said. All this happened because of what he said. चलो पहले कुछ खा लेते हैं. Let's eat something first. Let's eat something first. मैं सोच भी नहीं सकता था कि ऐसा होगा. I couldn't have imagined this. I couldn't have imagined this. क्या तुम्हें यकीन है? Are you sure? Are you sure? सब कुछ वैसा नहीं होता जैसा दिखता है. Not everything is as it seems. Not everything is as it seems. यह मौका हाथ से मत जाने दो. Don't let this chance slip away. Don't let this chance slip away. थोड़ा रुक जाओ, मैं अभी आता हूं. Wait a bit, I'll be right back. Wait a bit, I'll be right back. तुम सही कह रहे हो. You are right. You are right. जब सब सो रहे थे वह पढ़ रहा था. He was studying when everyone was asleep. He was studying when everyone was asleep. अगर तुम चाहो तो सब कुछ मुमकिन है. If you want, everything is possible. If you want, everything is possible. क्या यह तुम्हारी आखिरी कोशिश थी? Was that your last attempt? Was that your last attempt? कोई बात नहीं, अगली बार सही. No worries, maybe next time. No worries, maybe next time. यह गलती मेरी नहीं है. This isn't my mistake. This isn't my mistake. बात को घुमा फिराकर मत कहो. Don't beat around the bush. Don't beat around the bush. वो तुमसे कुछ कहना चाहता है. He wants to say something to you. He wants to say something to you. क्या तुमने कभी ऐसा महसूस किया है? Have you ever felt this way? Have you ever felt this way? वह बहुत तेज सीखता है. He learns very quickly. He learns very quickly. एक बार फिर कोशिश करो. Try once more. Try once more. तुमने जो किया वो सराहनीय है. What you did is commendable. What you did is commendable. मैं तुमसे मिलकर खुश हूं. I am happy to meet you. I am happy to meet you. कोशिश करते रहो, हार मत मानो. Keep trying, don't give up. Keep trying, don't give up. अगर हम समय पर निकले होते. If we had left on time. If we had left on time. बहुत समय हो गया तुमसे बात किए. It's been a long time since we talked. It's been a long time since we talked. तुम हमेशा देर क्यों करते हो? Why are you always late? Why are you always late? कोई हल जरूर निकलेगा। There must be a solution. There must be a solution. क्या तुम्हें मुझ पर भरोसा है? Do you trust me? Do you trust me? ये तुम्हारे लिए अच्छा मौका है। This is a good opportunity for you. This is a good opportunity for you. जीवन एक बार ही मिलता है, पूरी तरह जियो। You only live once, live fully. You only live once, live fully.